Hi beauties, it's the Red Diva and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing another quick and easy pony by Outre. This one is the Neesha Body Curl 18-inch and it is soft and natural curls, and we chose the color DR Red Velvet. So dark root, red velvet, beautiful bouncy curls, and literally less than a minute to put it on. You can time me and make sure I'm not telling a lie. So anyway, I hope you can stick around, make yourself at home, and I'll join you in just a second with all the details and a quick and easy sleigh. I'll be right back. We're ready to start the show. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and look at this pony in detail. Again, the name is going to be Outre. It's going to be our pretty quick pony. And the style that we chose today is called the Neesha Body Curl 18-inch. And the color is going to be the dark root red velvet. So DR Red Velvet, which is one of the specialty colors that they offer. As you can see some of the shades right there. And also it tells you how easy it is to put it on. So the first thing that you want to do is going to be slicking your hair back and putting it into a bun. And depending on how high or low you want the pony to sort of drop, if you want a high pony, then you're going to have to do the bun much higher on the head. And then in my case, I kind of like it sort of in the middle. I don't like it super high. Otherwise, I start looking like Ariana Grande because she always wears those really high ponies, which is great. You know, it is a look. But for me, I like it a little, just slightly lower on the head, okay? Let's take a look at the cap construction. Of course, it's a pony, but still, it does have like a little cap there. So I'm going to take out the little tissue that they put in there, as well as a couple of the little bags for humidity protection. Okay, and also I'm taking, they put like a little bit of paper protection, like a little cloth right where the two combs are, okay? So the inside is going to be like fabric, like a netting fabric right there, okay? Of course, this is going to be a lot smaller because it's only going around your hair, your bun. So it's not going to be large like it would be on the inside of a regular wig. You're going to see that it has two combs. There's going to be one on the top right there. That's the one that's going to go on top of your bun. And then at the bottom of that opening, you're going to see the other one, the bottom one, and that bottom one's going to go below the bun. So on top of the bun, below the bun, okay? And then you're going to see also that there is some elastics here with a little bungee adjuster, okay? If you were to, once you attach the two combs, if you pull that right there, you're going to get a little bit more of a cinching effect. So that's what it's for. If you don't need to cinch, then you don't have to. Going back to the color, as you can see, it's dark rooted. So it's going to have a very, very distinct dark root here from the beginning of where the pony starts, and then it's going to kind of trickle down and blend into that beautiful red velvet color. It's going to be, like it says, 18 inches. I haven't taken the measuring tape, so I'm going to just trust them on that one. The curls on this particular pony is very, very luscious and bouncy curls. It might remind you a little bit about one of the wigs that I've already done a review on. I'm gonna put the name of it right below. It's one of the half wigs from Outre. I can't recall the name right now, but I'm gonna just go ahead and put it on the bottom. I'll add it up later. But it has those kind of bouncy, very open curls, very much as if you had gotten them set or done in the salon. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start. We're going to apply first the top comb, then the bottom comb, see if there's any cinching that needs to happen, and then we will take it from there. Okay. Now I'm kind of going over the bun, and with my thumb, I'm sticking the bun inside that little pocket where the cap is. And then now I'm going to insert the bottom comb, okay? And then now, as I hold that little bungee adapter, I'm gonna use a mirror really quick just to double check and make sure that the back is looking like it's supposed to. Okay. Yeah. Just like that. Exactly. So that's pretty much it as far as the way it looks. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Okay, so that is it. It was a quick 30-second, if that, installation on this beautiful Neesha 18-inch, and it is the Outre quick pony, pretty quick pony, in the Neesha body curl 18-inch, okay, in the dark rude red velvet color. Let me show you the front look. Then the side. The back. And then you're going to see the other side. It hides it very well. So like the little pouch that's holding my hair in there, it's very, very, very natural looking. The color is an exact match to my hair. Even with the dark rooting, it still gives it a perfect match. Let me show you. So if you were to split the pony in two, you get that full volume there, okay? And then if you put it like that, give you an idea of how far it falls on my back. Okay. Isn't that adorable? All right, guys, I think it's a winner. Perfect for the summer. It will keep your neck feeling more refreshed, and you won't feel so overwhelmed with a heavy wig or a heavy pony that has just so much volume and so much density that you're gonna feel really, really hot. It just makes you look like so refreshed and so happy and so bouncy with these curls. Love it, love it, love it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Like, comment, share, and let me know if you've bought this one in particular, this pretty quick pony by Outre, and what do you think? If you like it, would you buy it? Do you enjoy wearing these type of pony styles with your hair? Yeah, so just let me know. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. I thank you so much for the honor of your time, and I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you guys again very soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.